Ninu Nursery Kids Rhymes.
Good morning, sun is shining bright. Wake up, little baby, it's a happy morning light.
Stretch your arms, open eyes, smile and say hooray. Wash your face, brush your teeth, it's a brand new day. Breakfast time, yum, yum, yum. Let's eat food and have some fun. Breakfast
Here
time.
comes a yummy egg.
Clap, clap, sit together.
Yummy.
Tap, tap,
Good job.
Toast is warm
Yummy
and
toast.
eggs so
Here you go,
nice.
sweetie.
Golden yellow, looking
You're a good
bright.
eater.
Crunchy,
More.
bright and tasty
Here you go,
too.
sweetie.
Yummy
Yay,
breakfast
milk.
just for
You're
you.
welcome. Enjoy your
So
breakfast.
cold
Thank
and
you.
cereal round.
Here you
Pour
go,
it in.
sweetie.
Hear the sound. Spoon goes up
I'm
and
glad you
spoon
like
goes
it.
down.
More, please.
Happy smile, no
Here you go,
little
sweetie.
frown.
Fresh pancakes.
Yay, pancakes. Thank you.
You're welcome. That's right, sweetie. Enjoy.
Fill that tummy. Here
Okay,
it
one more
comes.
bite.
Breakfast
Here
time.
come the pancakes,
Sing
sweetie.
along. Happy,
Pancakes,
happy
yay.
breakfast
All for you.
song.
Careful, it's hot.
Ninu Nursery Kids Rhymes. Whee! Yeah!
Today's my first day at school.
Ah.
Oh wow, that's really cool. Pack my bag and tie my shoes. I'm ready now. I just can't lose. Say hello to my
Ooh,
teacher.
pretty book.
Hi, say
In
hello
you
to
go.
friends nearby. Fun to learn, we sing and
Hi,
play.
I'm going to school.
That's right, sweetie. Have fun.
Yay, I will.
Books and colors, games and more. Learning things I've never tried before. Count to 10, write my name. School's so fun, that's why I came. Say hello to
Hello,
my
welcome to our classroom.
Hi, teacher. I'm so happy.
We're going to have so much fun.
Yay! Look, red, yes, and blue, and green here. So many colors. 1,
Very good. Keep going.
2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.